because I can't even see myself as even a senator getting into dressing up and going for a prayer day, especially if it means that my presence in a different place, which I could actually accord my presence to these parents. I don't know. I just feel like there's this. We have normalized insensitivity. We've normalized evilness. Because let me ask you something. I mean, people are saying, oh, whatever, now you're in opposition, so everything that this government does is wrong. That's not the case. During Dr. Fred Matiang'i's regime, there were more than 100 fires in a very short period of time. Mm-hmm. I think that was 2016. Yeah. And there was this, it was almost like a culture of when the students were unhappy, for whatever reason, they would just light up a fire. And several things were put into account. And actually, the government of the day then tried to address it in a way that it was a concern. You know? You remember that's the time when paraffin was no longer, they stopped selling paraffin in jerry cans because the assumption was that people are using it for arson and all these other illegal activities. So there was actually a concern. You could feel the leaders at that time being concerned, like, what is going on? I remember Dr. Fred Matiang'i he went before the parliament, both houses, the National Assembly and the Senate, and they were interrogating what could be the problem and all these things. And at one point, what was appeared, people actually said that he's insensitive because he said we have to come down hard on the people who are starting the fires.